Why do people lie, get jealous, or suddenly change their behavior? Because we don't really understand human nature. But today, you will learn it in a very simple way. This book teaches one powerful idea. If you understand people, you can protect yourself and make better decisions. Let's learn the most important lessons. Lesson 1. People are emotional. We think we are logical, but we are not. Most decisions comes from feelings. That's why we get angry fast, we regret later. So, first control your emotions. Lesson 2. Everyone wants importance. Every person wants respect. People want to feel special and valued. If you make people feel important, they will like and trust you. Lesson 3. People hide their true self. People don't show everything. They act differently in different situations. So don't trust only words. Watch actions carefully. Lesson 4. There is always a hidden reason. People don't always say the truth. There is always a reason behind behavior. Try to understand what they really want. Lesson 5. Jealousy is natural. Even close people can feel jealous. It's normal human nature. So stay humble and don't show off too much. Lesson 6. People follow the crowd. Most people just follow others. They don't think deeply. If you want to grow, learn to think for yourself. Lesson 7. Everyone has a dark side. We all have angry, fear, insecurity. Don't ignore it. Understand it and control it. Lesson 8. Change yourself first. You can't control others easily, but you can control yourself. When you change, people's behavior towards you also changes. So, what is the biggest lesson? Understanding human nature is a superpower. It helps you avoid being used, build better relationships, stay calm and smart. If you understand people, you can understand life. Start observing people more carefully, and you will see the truth behind their behavior. So, thank you so much for watching.